Slow doing that shorty just hell up. I've been letting on mom instead of trying to dodge it.
What's up guys, BSuitsBrother here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use StreamLabs. So first, you want to open Google Chrome, type in StreamLabs OBS. And then you want to click the first link. Just open this link. Okay, so then you want to click download beta, follow the steps, and there. Then you want to open StreamLabs. It should be on your desktop. So everything should be empty. You want to add a scene. Just click add new scene. Then you want to add a source. You can add any source here, but the most important one is display capture. The most important one is display capture. You could also use video capture device. I can add the source, add new source, and there's my face cam. So I can add this in here if I wanted to, but I don't want it in there, so I'm going to delete it. Yes. Then you gotta set up. You can also live stream here, live and record, which I'm recording on right now. Gives you a bunch of errors and it tells you how much CPU is being used, your frame rates, your drop frames, and also you can click here. Click on themes. You can click on App Store. It'll let this load. So you have all this. You can download all these apps. Get free trials for these app locations. And you have the CloudBot. You have all this stuff here. You got commands, you got timers, mod tools, quotes, pool betting. But if you click here, you have to, don't forget, to mod StreamLabs by going to YouTube community settings and adding this as a monitor. So, what is this? My mom's wondering who I was talking to. So you have the dashboard. Oh, gracious. So if you connect your you can connect your YouTube account so you can stream live. I'll show you that in a second. You use your donation account, YT subscribers, YouTube members, YT a super chat, and YT chat amounts. So you have your widgets. You have alert box, chat box, event list, donation goal. You also have all these other stuff. You got view count, jar, sponsor banner, and all this other stuff. So also you CloudBot, here's your CloudBot and stuff. Merch, you can make your merch. You can also go to settings. You can connect my PayPal to start accepting tips. I can finally copy and paste now. So, you have account settings. So I have my YouTube and YouTube linked. General, import, shared access, no shared access for me. You have all that stuff. So if you go to settings here, here's your general. You have output, show, you have all that stuff. And then if you go to stream, you got your streaming services. Stream type streaming services, service, YouTube gaming, Twitch or whatever, Facebook Live, all that stuff. Here's my stream key, but I'm not going to show it. So yeah. Out down here is where you have all your stuff. I have my MP4 high quality, my recording stuff here. So you have your streaming. I have my video rate. That's why my streams are very low quality. So I have video rate is 500 hardware, and my encoder is 500 hardware. Audio rate 128. Replay buffer. Yeah, all that stuff. Then you have audio. I have all this stuff. Speakers, desktop one. All this stuff. Video. So I could change the quality output. That's why I put it low, 480p. Hotkeys. You have all your hotkeys, but I don't like hotkeys because who knows? I can accidentally press and start streaming like other streamers. Advanced. So you have your color format and all that stuff. Bunch of stuff. Then you have your scene collections. Import widget from current scene. Notifications. Show notifications. Okay, you have all this stuff. Then you have appearance. Chat size, remote control. I'm not going to show you that. I'm not going to click to show it. So you have all that. What the frick? The ground below me is so freaking warm. You have all this stuff. So how long have I been recording? I don't know. It doesn't show me. So if you want to add a bot, you have to I don't know, it won't show me a link to it. I'm just gonna skip it. So yeah, you have all this stuff, themes, editor. You can check the scene, you could do this, you can click settings here. Audio monitor off. You could change all this stuff. I don't know, you could also change the type of color. But I like black because it doesn't hurt my eyeballs. Here you have studio mode, which I hate. I do not like to see both of mine, which looks, look at that, how trippy that looks. Face mask settings, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. You can also ask for help here. You can get help. How to stream on Twitch, view more, all this stuff. I'm gonna log out, but I don't want to log out. You can also join their Discord if you want to, if you feel like it. I'll leave the download link in the description with all my other stuff for StreamLabs. So yeah, I have here all my subscribers and recent events. Shooterjustin has subscribed. Fortnite B0253 with my old channel, Guava Juice. The fake Guava Juice probably. Cory Robbins, Fortnite Daily Item Shop 0253, Ninjas, Tyler Sml, all this, I'm your noob. Shout out to all those people I just showed. But if you do want to see all my subscribers that allow you to see, if they're this subscribed, I'll be giving shout outs in the description of all my subscribers. So I'll be showing you all of them currently. Click here, my channel, YouTube Studio. And I'm going to go back to the Creator Studio. I just don't want it. I don't like it. Take me back to the dashboard. Community. I think it's in community at least. Subscribers. Shooterjustin. Shout out to Shooterjustin. Shout out to Fortnite. That's my own channel. Shout out to Guava Juice. Shout out to Cory Robbins. Shout out to Ninjas, Tyler Sml. Shout out to this person. Shout out to all these people that subscribe. I'll be leaving all of them in the description. All these people. FAX Dubs, especially shout out to him. Jamie Owens, the Savages. I freaking know that channel. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know that channel. Me and my friends made it a long time ago and haven't posted it. Wow. But shout out to all these people here. I'll be linking them in the description. Also link to their channel. I'll also be linking their channels along with their names. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So yeah, until next time, peace.